Welcome to the video on pairing and configuring the CAME TH1 230V chronothermostat with the Thermo Wi-Fi app and Matter systems. Turn on the TH1 and install the Thermo Wi-Fi app on the smartphone you want to pair. By standing near the thermostat, launch the Thermo Wi-Fi app and connect to your account. If you don't have a CAME Connect account, you'll need to register. Press the Add Device button, and choose the TH1 chronothermostat. Press and hold the thermostat button for about 10 seconds, until the icon appears indicating, device ready for pairing. Press the Continue button to search for the thermostat you want to pair. Once found, select it and wait for the center button to stop flashing. Press the Continue button and proceed with assigning the Wi-Fi network to the thermostat. Enter the network password. Create the home where your programmable thermostat is installed. Including its location on Google Maps. This will be used to manage geo-localized scenarios. Create the room where the thermostat is installed and link it to the newly created home. The app is now ready to function properly. The TH1 chronothermostat is compatible with the Matter protocol. Let's see how to pair our device with the Google Home app. From the Thermo Wi-Fi app, access the system, click Menu, and select Smart Home. Select the device and press the Copy button to copy the associated Matter code. Launch the Google Home app. Press the Add button. Select Matter-enabled device. Paste the previously copied code, and press the Next button. Accept the Google account link, and follow the prompts until the linking process is complete. Once you've added your TH1 to the Google Home app, you can manage the thermostat, change the seasons, view the measured ambient humidity and the detected temperature. There are many other options and functions available in the manual, which we invite you to consult on the website docs.came.com. We hope this has been helpful, and thank you for choosing CAME for your programmable thermostat.